Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using Wi-Fi instead of a mobile signal. That's the only way. Connect to a stable network. Aim for over 5 Mbps and low latency, because call quality depends on it. Next, install a reliable calling app and sign in. Create or verify your account so the app can route calls. Once done, grant basic permissions and keep your phone charged. Make sure airplane mode is on if you have no SIM, but Wi-Fi remains enabled. This prevents carrier interference. Now you configure the app so calls work reliably. Open settings and allow microphone access, speaker, and background data. Without those, others won't hear you. Sync or import your contacts so you can dial quickly and enable notifications so incoming calls ring. If you control the router, enable Co-S or prioritize voice and small packet traffic to reduce dropouts. Also choose a wired or 5 GHz connection when possible. This reduces interference and improves packet timing, which directly affects voice. Place a short test call to verify send and receive audio, speak normally and listen for delays. If quality is poor, move closer to the router or switch from 4 GHz to 5 GHz to reduce interference. Once done, retry. If you hear nothing, check microphone permission first, then force close the app and reopen it or reboot the phone. As a final tip, use a wired headset or USB-C adapter for clearer input. Remember, Wi-Fi calling may not support emergency services. Plan accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.